guys, this is Wakas from Mobile Centrics. Today I'm going to be showing you DisplayBase. From the moment you unbox it, you will notice this is a high quality product. All DisplayBases come with a manual where you can read about all the functions, buttons, connectors, and all the basics you need to know about DisplayBase. As you unbox DisplayBase, you will notice it also comes with a power cable and an extra tester cable. Finally, a glance at the actual unit, you will see it comes with a tester cable pre-installed. On the bottom of DisplayBase, there is a bracket you will need to take off to install the logic board. As soon as you open it, you will find 4 connectors: the digitizer, LCD, volume button, and power button. Installing the logic board is an easy process. Make sure you have the housing, the logic board, and a battery. Once you fit in the logic board with the housing and battery, you need to follow this connection pattern. You should have 2 unconnected cables. You can tape the connectors to ensure safety. Before we connect the screens, I want to show you all the parts and buttons around DisplayBase. At the top, you will find a lightning port. Use this port to charge the device in DisplayBase. On the side, you will find a JTAG connector. This connector will allow you to upgrade the firmware if there is ever a need to do so in the future. There is an on and off button, which is the main power for DisplayBase. When you move it to the on position, you will see some lights flashing on DisplayBase. You can follow any order up for the connections when you are plugging in the screens. You can also plug in any screen quality in any socket of DisplayBase. For this video, we are using the following order: LCD first, hard OLED second, and premium OLED last. As you can see, each socket has a perfect lip to keep the screens perfectly snug and safe. The input light should come on when you have a device directly installed in DisplayBase. The output light will come on when the connection between the device and the screen is established. The power button will function as the power button on an iPhone, and volume buttons will work as regular volume buttons. Volume buttons are necessary when powering off the device. Touch selection buttons help you select the screen for which the digitizer will be receiving the input. The light below each screen will show you what digitizer is active. You can go to Photos and save as many images as you would like. You can also show your customers either white screens, blue screens, or black screens. Allowing to show different images and pictures will help your customers evaluate different qualities in different situations when using the phone. You can also dim out the light and explain the difference between premium OLED and LCD screens. The LCD will never achieve complete blacks due to the backlight having to stay illuminated. OLED screens, on the other hand, have the capability to control the brightness and color of each pixel. You can also show different images or pictures. For example, colors and brightness can make a photo look completely different, affecting shades and even color tones. The most valuable point is to give you a tool to help your customers visibly understand the difference in price and quality when they come to your shop. You do not want to choose quality for them when their budget is unknown. We finally want to show you the difference between the screens when the lights are off. Here, you can appreciate much more the LCD backlight impeding the screen reach a black background rather than the OLED capabilities of being able to turn off each pixel, achieving a perfect black background.
Mobile Centrics is on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.